Καλησπέρα, είμαστε εδώ στην GunPower Tool, τα top εργαλεία για όσους ασχολούνται με τα τεχνικά του Airsoft. Είμαστε μαζί με τον David και θα μας εξηγήσει ακριβώς τι έχουμε μπροστά μας και τι είναι αυτά που θα δούμε, γιατί κάποια νομίζω εγώ δεν τα ξέρω. Ο Πασχάλης πίσω την κάμερα τα ξέρει καλύτερα. So, David,
hey,
tell us, what do you have here?
So from the first one here, we have a socket tool set. So it's a basic socket tool set that we have here. It has a 90-degree and bottom left to right, and also it goes to both ways. It goes this way, and it goes like to the other way, obviously.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So the second one here. So this comes in big and small. This is our 30-tool pin set, 30-tool screwdriver set, basically. So this, first of all, it comes in, as you can see, is a 50 BMG.
Yeah, it's like a bullet.
Yeah, basically, yes. So, yeah. So we have this one. It also has a, wait, let me see. Okay, it's not these ones. So, yeah, so these are that. And also comes with the extension rod.
Okay, nice.
So for if you want to reach for anything deeper in your weapon or in your gun, so you can have that as extension. And it's a small set with more precision tool. It's a more precision tool for pistols. They say so. So pistols have like smaller little valve or smaller little like screws, right? So yeah, you do this, and in this one we also have like a little spinnable pin up here. So
for your hand.
Yeah, for your hand, you can like do like this if you're like trying to be like really precise. So there's that, and also comes. Oh yeah, and also all these two sets comes in 3 different colors. It comes in black, OD green, and also Cloudy brown.
Nice.
So
this is a power tool.
This is a mechanical tool.
A mechanical tool. Okay,
this is
nice.
A mechanical manual tool. So let me grab this one. So yeah. So this is our torque wrench. It's a manual torque wrench, but you can like set like your preferable
pressure.
Yeah, pressure.
Yes.
Pressure to it. So here you can go up, like up here, and it works like this. So after it reaches the threshold, it will make a very distinctive click. And here I'm going to show you how it works. So here we go. So also it goes both ways. So this side. It's gonna make a click.
Yes.
So you know that
okay.
It's like,
you have to stop. Yeah.
So in this set we have like all these tools here. It also comes with like obviously the extension tools. Also for this for the knobs here. And also it comes in with here we have something extra special here. So with this in Airsoft, for instance, like for example, like a unity riser for T1, T2s, right? And if you're using a real aim point, you'll be using like a star shape.
Yes.
You'll need a star shape wrench to do it. And if it's a repro, you will need like a hexagonal.
Yeah. Okay. See.
Yeah. So this is our mechanical one, and our newest product, which is still in prototype, is our electronical reading, but still manual torque wrench.
It does the same thing, right?
It does the same thing, but
okay.
it is more precise because it shows you all the numbers that you need.
Okay.
So for instance, first of all, it has 5 different measurements. Yeah. We're gonna go back to pounds real quick. We're gonna go back to pounds. We're gonna set. Let's do 30, just for example. So it does the same thing, but with this, what you do is that, so once you apply the pressure, you can see the pressure going up. Yeah, you see once it's like reaching almost there, it will like start beeping. And once it reaches the threshold, it will start vibrating and have a long beep instead.
Ναι, δονείται. Επειδή δεν μπορεί να το δει ο άλλος στην κάμερα, να ξέρω ότι απλά δονείται ολόκληρο, έχει μια μόνιμη δόνηση όταν είναι στο κόκκινο.
So here, the next stuff that we have here is a 7.62x51 bullet. Okay, it's actually a pop-up set or O-ring adjuster. So yeah. So we always have this problem when we're playing like GBBs or for example pistols. Like everyone has a pistol. You have the O-ring that's like very unreachable. You get so hard, like you can't even just stuck it in, right? So you can do this and just clip it in like this. And also for hop-up, for instance, like lots of hop-ups are located in the chamber. Like you pull it open and it's like very deep. It's hard. Like not everyone has like long nails, right? Yes. So it's easy. It's nice to have something that's like small and straight and just go in there and just fiddle with it. So yeah, this is our product to that. And since we are talking, the next stuff we have here is everyone's most beloved. We call this the wrench for the buffer tube for the M4s.
Yeah.
And these are made with like CRV materials, so they're very sturdy. So there's no need to there's no need to be afraid that it will break. So yeah. And the next is our pin set. It comes in with 6 sizes from 1 millimeter to 5 millimeter, like this.
Αυτά είναι για τους πύρους από ό,τι έχετε καταλάβει, για να μην χτυπάμε με... Κάποιοι το κάνετε με κατσαβίδι ή με οτιδήποτε άλλο, είτε με τα Allen. Είναι εργαλεία για να βγάζουμε τους πύρους, έχει το πιο μικρό μέχρι το πιο μεγάλο πύρο. Οπότε δεν χρειάζεται να διαλύετε τα υπόλοιπα εργαλεία σας, έχουν φτιάξει εργαλεία καθαρά για αυτά.
Okay, so the next thing that we have here is this the gun, what do you call it, the barrel cleaner basically. It comes in 5 different sections. So as you can see, everything that you see here is one single product. So obviously you don't want obviously when you're cleaning a pistol, for instance, right? You don't want like a long rod for like a sniper rifle or anything, right? So you can just like take it open, and apply to this. And it becomes your everyday pistol cleaning rod.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. And they are made in aluminum.
It's from aluminum?
Yes.
Ναι, είναι αλουμίνιο. Έχουμε συνηθίσει συνήθως στα αεροβόλα βάζουν πλαστικό σκήνο βελόν, το πούμε έτσι για να το καταλάβει ο κόσμος. Αλλά όχι, αυτό είναι αλουμίνιο. It's maybe a problem if you scratch the inner baller or it's protected with
It's protected with coating, so it's
okay.
Gonna be fine.
Έχει προστασία, να ξέρετε, οπότε δεν μπορεί να γρατζουνίσει την εσωτερική σας σκάνη. Το εσωτερικό βασικά της σκάνης σας, οπότε δεν υπάρχει θέμα που είναι αλουμίνιο.
So the next set that we have here is let me just grab this. The grenade adjuster. Not the grenade. The grenade shape valve adjuster, and also act as a screwdriver set. So in a second, let's go really quickly, very sturdily. So what you have here. So for instance, so we cover almost every like gas valves on the market. So let me grab. I think this is for GHK. So what you do here is put those in, and you just can screw it with this.
Λοιπόν, η μαγιά που έχουν κάνει εδώ με τη χειροβομβίδα είναι η εξής. Έχουν βγάλει για τις βαλβίδες αυτά εδώ τα εργαλεία, θα το πάρω λίγο έτσι να φαίνεται, αυτά εδώ τα εργαλεία, αλλά δεν είναι ένα για όλα, δεν είναι πασπαρτού. Σύμφωνα με το τι μάρκα αεροβόλο έχετε, βλέπεις VFC, Marui, τα λοιπά που είναι aftermarket, GSK, WI και Viper, παίρνεις το κατάλληλο εργαλείο σύμφωνα με τη μάρκα που έχεις και φτιάχνεις τη βαλβίδα σου. Εγώ για παράδειγμα, τώρα που άλλαξα βαλβίδα στο δικό μου το πιστόλι, είχα θέμα με το εργαλείο μου γιατί η καινούργια high flow βαλβίδα δεν την έπιανε το εργαλείο. Με αποτέλεσμα να το γρατζουνίσω. Με αυτό εδώ, απλά αλλάζεις την κεφαλή, βλέπεις ποια μάρκα έχεις, αν σε βολεύει και εννοείται πώς το χρησιμοποιείς. What's this one?
So
it's pretty interesting.
Everything from here on is they are prototypes.
Prototypes, okay.
Here, so
άρα ό,τι βλέπετε, το βλέπετε πρώτη φορά εδώ. Είναι πρωτότυπα από εδώ και πέρα όλα. Προς το παρόν δεν είναι... Is all of this on the market or not yet?
Not yet. There are prototypes that are not yet on the market. Some of them are going to be on the market soon. So around Q2 to Q3, for example, this is our T-wrench torque set, which basically acts as the same thing. But like for instance, we have like customers that want like something that's longer so that they can use it. It does the same function as, for instance, so it has all the same measurements as that one has, and what you do is, which one is this? This should be this. Spin. How much today? There we go. They set me up.
Okay.
They set me up for 5.0. I was like, okay. So what you do is like you do this. No, it doesn't vibrate yet.
Ωραία. Αυτό δεν έχει δόνηση, αλλά παρόλα αυτά είναι λίγο πιο μακρύ και πιο εύκολο και να το πιάνεις με όλη σου την παλάμη και να βάζεις όλη σου τη δύναμη. Okay.
Yes.
So the interesting part I think is this one. We have problems with screws in
Yeah, we have problem with screws. So in airsoft, we also have this. We almost always have this problem when you over tighten the screw and you can't take it out, and like when the quality of the tools isn't like as great as the screw is, and then we'll break it, right?
Yes.
But so the thing is, you don't want it to fully break it. You want to have at least like 20 to 30% of integrity to it, and then you're able to save it with one of these.
Yes.
Yes.
Λοιπόν, στην ουσία αυτό που έχουν κάνει τα παιδιά εδώ πέρα, λέει ότι σχεδόν σε όλες τις χώρες, σε όλα τα αεροβόλα, μια βίδα θα σπάσει. Οπότε, έχουν φτιάξει αυτά εδώ τα εργαλεία, που χρησιμοποιείς πρώτα αυτό και μετά αυτό. Αυτό είναι για να δημιουργήσεις σαν κολαούζο, να το πω έτσι, και μετά αυτό είναι για να το σφινώσεις και να βγάλεις τη βίδα μέχρι να την αντικαταστήσεις. Το έχουμε δει σε άλλα εργαλεία στον έξω κόσμο, αλλά στο Airsoft όχι. Είναι οι μόνοι οι οποίοι το έχουν. Εννοείται πως μπορείς να χρησιμοποιήσεις και τα εξωτερικά πέρα από αυτά. And this one?
This right here is a center punch. It's a multi-tool, but most functionally as a center punch. So first things first, it comes in 3 caps. It comes in rubber, it comes in copper and metal. It comes in all 3. So it's for hammer. It's for hammering use. So
It's a hammer use.
yes,
Okay.
and also there is a set right here.
Okay.
It goes both left and right. So, and the last thing is it can. So, for example, you're doing a project, right, and you want like a certain like places to be punched through, like with a nail or with like a screw, right?
Yes.
But like normally speaking, you don't want just like you don't want just hammer it through, right? So obviously, so what you do is when you draw like a center point to it, you draw a center point to it. You aim at it. You aim at it, and then you go. There you go.
Oh, nice.
Pull. And then, since you have this reference dot now, you're able to like anchor like your nail or whatever screws, and then you can go do whatever you like with it.
Στην ουσία αυτό που έχουν κάνει είναι αυτό το εργαλείο που σπάει τα τζάμια που δείχνει η Carglass και σου λέει ότι έχεις μαρκάρει ένα σημείο το οποίο θες να καρφώσεις ή θες να βιδώσεις κάτι. Να δημιουργήσεις μια καινούργια τρύπα στην ουσία. Οπότε τι κάνει, το πιέζει, τώρα το πιέσω γιατί είναι ο πάγκος από κάτω, και με αυτό το κλακ που κάνει σου δημιουργεί αυτή την τρυπούλα που στην ουσία είναι το starter σου για να μπορείς να κάνεις εσύ μετά το βίδωμα ή το καρφί το οποίο έχεις. Perfect.
Okay, so you could also use this as so first of all, it comes in with different replacement sets, so it's not just used as a center punch. It could also be used as, for example, you have a pin that you want to install into, for example, like an AR like front sight, right? So what you can do is with this, have it in here, is it like this, and now it's in, and now you hit it with this, and now it's in.
Εντάξει, νομίζω τεράστια μαγιά αυτό που έχουν κάνει εδώ πέρα.
And when you're taking it out, you can also use this with the other different head that we have here. So it's out, and then with our pin set, it's out.
Νομίζω ότι όλοι έχουμε λίγο προβληματιστεί με κάτι τέτοια. Όλοι έχουμε πιεστεί με κάτι τέτοια και δεν ξέρουμε τι να τα κάνουμε. Ήρθε ο David λοιπόν και μας έχει δώσει τη λύση με αυτό το πολυεργαλείο. Γιατί και αυτό πολυεργαλείο είναι. That's all?
Yeah, that's all. Yes.
Ωραία, δεν είναι μόνο αυτά. Έχουμε και τα Allen. Θα βρείτε ότι μεγέθος Allen από το πιο μικρό μέχρι το πιο μεγάλο. Αλλά νομίζω ότι μας έχει καλύψει με το παραπάνω, David. Thank you, David.
Thank you.
It was wonderful.
Thank you.
And it's all amazing.
Thank you. That means a lot to us.